much more than we are, without chasing that nice car. We didn't make any part and forgot our old go-kart. And the money should not flow. Don't exchange your heart for toil at another's demand. Best to be a one-man band. And I know a lot will disagree and want to pursue bigger things, but I can't always be dutiful, because I know small is beautiful. We're made to specialise, to pull the wool over our eyes. Experts cannot see what's obvious to me. Tiny cogs in a machine who don't dare to dream, kept carefully in our pens, shrinking down now I sense. Everything comes from the smallest part. Neglect will tear us all apart. Don't expect your garden to grow unless you tend and sow. I know exceptions must be made to preserve our freedoms from machines, but that doesn't mean it isn't crucial to remember small is beautiful. Yes, I know exceptions must be made to band together lest we fade, but let's make it a ritual to remember that small is beautiful.